Hey, what's up guys? Today I'm going to unbox the 70 MAI dashcam M300. Well, it says that it's going to record at 1296 pixel with an angle of 140. I'm not really sure how that it's going to be done because of course it will depend on the speed of the card that I will put in the dash cam. It also says that it has collision detection and that it has an app. What it doesn't say anywhere is the capacity of the micro SD card that can be put it inside of the camera. So let's check how big could be the actual card that can be put it there. I don't know if you see, because the camera that I'm using right now for recording, it's a little bit old, but yeah. Okay, let's open it. It says something in Chinese, but the packaging quality overall it's quite okay. So let's unbox it. It will come with an user manual, and yeah, it also has like two stickers that can be put it on the dash. So I don't know if you see, it says put the electrostatic sticker on the windshield and then apply the actual sticker of the camera on the. So it has two of those. One it's already dropped. Okay, this is the second one. Okay, and let's check the user manual. I want to see if in the user manual if it will say how big can be the SD card that can be inserted in the camera. So right now I have actually no idea. Let me check. Okay, well, it says here that the dashcam supports a standard micro SD card that can be up to 128 gigabytes, and it needs to have a rating speed of class 10 or above. Well, I'm quite sure that at a class 10 speed the camera will only record up to 1080 pixel and not 1200 like it's written on the box right here. So I'm guessing that you will need to use a more powerful card if you want to get this resolution, but overall so far it seems pretty good for the money that I paid. Okay, the boxing it's quite high quality, I would dare to say, for this camera. So let's see. Okay, this is the sticker, like I said, and let's see. Okay, this is how the camera looks. This will come on the sticker, and the sticker will come on the windshield, and it also has this that needs to be peeled off before using. In the rest it's pretty much what you'll need, and you have this part that will light up in different colors, I guess, depending on the status of the camera. Okay, overall it's a good thing that you can unscrew this part, because you might just want to use a non-sticker or a non-adhesive part here, just to ensure better support for the camera itself in the car. Okay, I'll put the camera in this area and let's check what you still get in this box. You'll get this part. Okay, let's see what it is. Okay. Well, this is an adapter for the car in case you have an older car. So if you have an older car, you'll get this USB adapter for the camera. Otherwise, I guess that in this is the USB connector. Yeah, you have this USB and the power cable for the camera. And this is how it looks. The microphone, the SD card. I already inserted an SD card because I just wanted to see if the package contains the camera and that I really got a camera inside of this package, because it would be just stupid to do an unboxing with an empty packaging, because the camera is, I must say, quite light, and yeah, they could just put something else inside of this package and send it toward me, and then say that okay, you are not telling the truth because we sent you a camera. But yeah, it can happen. I don't know anyone that got this kind of problem, but yeah, it's better to be sure than sorry. And yeah, this is the camera. I will put a recording at the end of this video just to know how this will record. Probably I will do a trip during the evening just to see how it will be the quality of the camera during the night. And you can leave me in the comment section below your opinion about this camera and if it's worth it at the price range that it's currently on the market. I'll not say how cheap I bought the camera, because that might influence you and you'll say then that okay, now it's more expensive or a lot cheaper than used to be, because okay, a camera now maybe I paid a small price or I paid a bigger price, but each price differs a lot with the area from which you'll get the import and with the worldwide situation. Thank you guys for watching and enjoy the video from the end, and see you on the next video. Bye.